Not having enough money prevents me from pursuing women because I believe it's the main reason why I'm single. I want you to just like read back what you said. Not having enough money prevents me because I believe it's the main reason I'm single.
Because of your belief.
Yeah. You literally just said the reason that I can't pursue women is because I believe this is the problem. But what does that actually mean? It's just a belief. Like beliefs are just ideas. If you change the word belief with opinion, like that, it's the same thing. A belief is just an opinion that you hold really strongly. It's your opinion that you don't have women because you don't have enough money. But dude, I've pulled a ton when I have like $300 in my bank account, like, or less. I've probably pulled when I have 10 cents in my bank account, like for real. Like I guarantee I have, like, especially when I was like 19, 20, whatever. Like I've done that. I've fucking done that. So it's like, you got to understand that like, it's not money. It's not any of these beliefs. You're using money or you're using overthinking or using any of these beliefs as a reason why you can't take the actions necessary to get the result you want, to have women in your life. Like that's the reason. And it makes you feel better, but it doesn't get you the result. Also, let me ask you this, like how long has money been the problem? Has money been the problem for years? And like, what have you done to actually improve that situation? Because like for me personally, as soon as a problem, as soon as a belief holds me back for more than like 6 months, I'm like, okay, well, what am I actually doing to actually change this? You know, you can have the same problem, you can have the same thing holding you back for like literally years at a time, or you can choose to like fucking do something about it. And most things in your life can completely change in like 6 months to 12 months.
Yeah, that's instant confidence too. As soon as you make that decision, like I'm going to do something today that's going to make me more money either instantly or that's going to make me more money a month from now, or it's going to make me more money 3 months from now. Because like, I mean, I know you've talked about like trajectory when you were like 18 and working at like a chicken place or whatever.
18, 22.
You were 22. Yeah. So you had like trajectory. You knew you were like in a couple of years, you were going to be doing something cooler. You're going to be making more money. Like you're on that path. So that kind of like carried you, even though you were working at like some fast food like place that serves fried chicken. So when you like make that decision to be like, all right, I'm choosing the path that's gonna shoot me in the trajectory of being somebody who makes money in the future, that is instant confidence. But I also wanted to just mention something really quick, that men have a lot more control over their beliefs than they think. And that's part of being masculine as well. I've had like crazy experiences with girls where I'll be like standing next to a girl in a bookstore or whatever. We're looking at the bookshelf and I'll see her kind of like look sideways at me for a second. I have some friends who are negative who would think in that moment, oh, she's looking at me because she thinks I'm weird. But me personally, since I was doing games so much, I'd like hypnotize myself into thinking that girls just want me. Girls love sex, girls love hooking up. Because she like looked at me, I thought to myself, oh, she's attracted, like she's a little bit attracted to me. So I opened a conversation with her and it became a self-fulfilling prophecy. If a girl senses like hesitation in your behaviors, she's not going to go along with you. But if she senses confidence, then she's going to go along with you. And if you start to like walk around, like literally just believing that even at the level of income that you're at, women can be attracted to you, then more women are going to be attracted to you because they're going to sense your confidence. And an easy way to get that confidence is to look at other people who are at the same income level as you, who don't make those excuses. There are people who make no money, are either on their way, or they just don't make money and they have confidence and they get more girls than you. Like seeing those examples, you can just believe the same about yourself. You can believe, okay, I can get girls despite where I'm at. My whole point there is like, you have control over what you believe. And if you want beliefs that help you, you have to surround yourself with people who are doing what you want to do, who may have came from similar circumstances and don't make excuses.
I mean, dude, here's the thing. So you're saying you want to build money to build confidence. How just awful of an existence is it to have to work your ass off for money, and that's the only reason you're allowed to be confident? You're telling yourself the only reason I have to be confident is if I have money. Like, it's fucking dumb. Imagine you get to the point where you have a lot of money. You have a lot of money and you're like, oh man, awesome. I have money now. Like, now every girl only likes you because you have money. Whether it's because you have money or because I'm only confident because I have money, and I know deep down that that's why. So as soon as, if this money goes away, if I stop making this money, right? Unless you make enough to like retire, until you make that much to where you don't have to worry about money for the rest of your life, You are always going to be chasing money and just terrified that you're going to lose it, because then your wife's going to leave you. Then, the girls you're dating, they're going to dry up. They're going to stop coming around. They're going to stop hanging out with you because you were only confident when you had money. Why would we choose to live in that existence? There are a lot of guys out there that have crazy confidence. The thing that is attractive about money, and this is probably why I'm actually curious how long you've been knowing that money is a problem. Like, how long have you known money is a problem? Because I guarantee the reason you don't have confidence is because you've known it's been a problem for a long time. You haven't done shit about it. That's why you don't have confidence. The reason that men don't have confidence is because we don't follow through on shit we say we want to do. I know something's a problem, and if I don't fix it for like a year or 2 years, I'm going to feel like I'm a fucking loser. Of course, I'm not going to have confidence, because like, imagine you're 400 pounds and you know that you need to lose weight. You know you need to lose weight, and you just continue to refuse to. You know it's a problem for years, for months, for years on end, and you refuse to fix it. That's why fat people don't have confidence. It's not because they're fat. Yeah, that might not help, but it's because they're not doing shit about it. As soon as you start doing something about your situation, that's when you get confidence. Confidence comes from just taking action. That's what you have to do. There's no solution other than taking action. And these habits that we're going through, like social media, those are the things that keep you from taking action on your goals. And that's what kills your confidence. What kills your confidence is the fact that you know that there are things that you could be doing to change your life and you're refusing to do them. You're actually making the choice not to. And like, that's why it's so important to like surround yourself with other men that are also doing what you want to do.